Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss something very important in your B2B space when working with catalogs. So let's say you've got a customer to which you don't want the default rates to go, but you want them to see wholesale rates. Now for that you'd require a different rate list when creating a catalog. So please make sure you've reviewed the catalog video beforehand, because otherwise you'll not understand this video, because this is specifically when you're working with catalogs. So let's dive in, because let's create a rate list and understand how to work with these catalog rate lists. So let's say you go in here and you've got these catalogs. And let's say you've got this catalog called as GBO Hair Care, which has got 10 products. And let's view this catalog. You can see that the prices are available all in dollars. Let's change that for now so that it makes it easier for you. And I'm going to choose INR. And I'm going to choose the exchange rate as 1. Save. And let's review this. As you can see that these are the same prices that are available on the main store. But what if we want that when we are sending this catalog to a customer of ours, which is a B2B customer, he's a wholesale customer, a different rate should apply. What we can do is we can go here and let's say we go to catalog rate list. And let's say we just call a new rate list and we call that special rates. And we'll submit. Now what we can do is we can select special rates. We can download the template. And just for example's sake, we are just making all the rates as 100. So that you'll clearly see what's happening. And if I save that, I copy this Excel sheet and I upload this Excel sheet. And I press play. My new rates are now here. What we are now going to do is go back to my catalogs. I'll choose GBO Hair Care, go in here, edit, and then in the advanced, we are going to select special rates. And again, make sure that your currency is INR, and I'll choose special rates and save. Once we do this, it'll actually start showing up different prices altogether. And if I go back to my main site, so let's say if I were to go in here and say preview shop, this is my main e-commerce site. Out here, the same rates are, so the earlier rates, which are not special rates, are available here. But then if my customer is looking at the same products, which is a special customer of mine who's got special rate list, he'll be able to shop with a very different price set. And that's how you use catalog rate lists for B2B customers. Thank you.